How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
We need that door open.
It don't open.
How do you open it?
You gotta climb out or come over the side.
Okay.
This is my car.
All right. Yeah, it doesn't open. All right, come out this way.
No.
Take the keys. Take the keys out the ignition.
Stop doing that.
Come on. Step out.
Stop. Come on. No. Stop it.
He's coming this way. He's coming this way. He's coming out this way. All right. All right.
What is he talking about?
Appreciate you. Come on. Come on.
What is he talking about? No.
Let's go. No!
Fuck.
Are you okay?
Motherfucker! Get that fucker! Let's go. Let's get him. He just fled. I got knocked over. He just fled. I got knocked over. He's going northbound on 27th Street. He jumped in the driver's seat and took off.
Silver finding at Grand Am.
Where'd it go?
Straight.
Related to your
God damn it, I knew he was going to do that. Here.
There you go.
2270. Got a silver Pontiac Grand Prix. Wisconsin plate 327 Young Union X-ray. North on 27th Street. Jailord for his arrest. He took off. Knocked me to the ground. I'm uninjured. He's going north on 27th Street towards Pierce. Lost sight of him. I'm trying to keep up.
Clear again?
Not clear. Clear.
I told you to take the keys out the ignition. They really are still in.
I believe he's still going north, but I'm not sure.
Plate number again, please. Grand Prix.
329 Union Young X-ray. There should be one black male. His name is Mario Hobson. He's the driver. Please notify District 3. I believe he may have went over the viaduct on 27th Street.
You okay?
Hands. That son of a...
10-4. You said Mario Hobson, Hopson?
Henry Ocean Boy, Sam Ocean Nora. Black male, bald, about 50 years old. He has a gray goatee. He's about 5'8", 180 pounds. Is that it right?
Where?
No, that's not it. We lost sight of it. We don't know where it is. Last thing going northbound on 27th Street, possibly in the District 3. We're at St. Paul now. We no longer see the vehicle. Could have gotten on the freeway too.
Right here, just pull up behind these cars. Block this. Block this. Get up. Hello.
Yeah, we're all on front now. We're looking for the car.
How long you guys been over here? With that car in front of you. Are you guys dropping something off?
No.
Oh, from who? Just so I know. Which house are you guys going to?
We looking for my friend's house, but we about to pull off now.
Well, what's your friend?
Her name Eric.
Eric?
I gotta be back on my lunch one. I don't even want to.
They're picking up something, but we don't know where.
I don't even want to pick it. Can I just go, please?
Well, why? I got to figure out what you're picking up because that's what we're here for.
Our keys to my house so I can get in the house.
And who? Can you call this person to come out, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, I was actually just going to call you up. First update, it says that they were conveyed to Sinai.
Okay. Take the keys out of the car. Hand them to me. Come back to the house. Come back to the house now.
TC talk to Curtis.
Unlock.
No,
Unlock.
Transported.
Don't! Don't! Mario! Mario! Stop the gun!
Holy shit.